Hey guys, what's going on? It's RD here, back with another tutorial video here on Knowledge. And so today, I know I said I would not make a green screen video in my last video, so I figured I'd do it today. And so I know I have uploaded daily, being I've posted today and yesterday on this channel, but it's kind of hard to make tutorial videos every single day, if you guys know what I mean. Hold on. Do something. There we go. Alright, so now I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a green screen. So, and you can also do this, I don't know if I'll include it in the title or not. There is another method where if you use the app, you can add a green screen effect and you don't have to have the green screen. It's much easier, the setup that I do with the green screen, as you guys can see. I have this little area right here that I have to draw off, right here. I have to draw off because my face cam doesn't perfectly cover everything, but other than that, it's pretty good. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want is this little app named Do Ink. It's called Green Screen by Do Ink, and if you go into the App Store and you type in, it is $3. If you go to the App Store, there is other ones that you can use, but I think this one's definitely the most reliable. So you go ahead and type in Do Ink. And you see this, I already have it, so you can basically, you know, it's got 3.5 ratings, but I'd definitely recommend it. So, anyway, so you're going to need it. Obviously, you're going to need a green screen, but you don't have to have it. If you really want a great green screen effect, you're going to need a green screen. Alright, so here's an example. Alright, so first thing you want to do, make a new project. Okay, new project. So next you want to add your, let's see. So you enter in your image first, I'm pretty sure. So let's go and find me a good little image. Let's do it as the minigun loading screen. Now you enter in your video or your picture. I'm going to use a picture. Here I just took a picture of me dabbing behind my green screen. Now, as you see, it's not fully perfect like my green screen is now. So what you want to do, you want to turn up the sensitivity. But you want to do it enough where it's got the green screen good, but doesn't have you out like this. That is almost perfect. Right there we go. So now, as you see, we do have the minigun loading screen behind me. Now you just hit save. But you can also now save the camera roll. And most of the time I use these for face cams, but if I'm just talking to you guys and I don't have to screen record anything, then I use it like for that. But anyway, so I will go through a setup video one day. Right now I'm sitting on a beanbag chair that you can't see. It's right here. And so you can preview it real quick before. It's just a photo. So now I have it saved to the camera roll. So it's really simple. So just have it there, and since my headphones are green, it blends out. So this will be the one that I'm going to use for my wallpaper this time on the face cam. And so basically, that will be it to this video. So basically, and you can also, okay, let me show you guys how you do the other thing. Alright, so now let's say I don't have a green screen. Let's use let's go and add in my image that I want to do. Let's say I want to, let's go to all. Let's say I want to use this one right here. But I don't have let's go and go into here, but I don't have a green screen back in it. Let's see. Hold up. Say I want to do it with the alpaca. If you go in here, now you can hit the mask option, then you hit the erase, and then you can just draw out what parts you want to be out. Go ahead and do this. I would recommend a stylus. I'm not using a stylus right now. As you can see, it's kind of difficult without a stylus. And you can change it to bigger and finer, like thing down for this little area right here. Get it perfectly. I'm not doing it perfectly, I'm just trying to show a good little example. Here we go. That thing in. Now we just click done. And as you see, now we have that. But it is way easier if you just have the green screen. All I have to do is draw out this little area right here to fix it, and then you have great green screens. You can do it for your entire video. You can actually do it with your screen recording. It will just mess up the way your game looks. But anyway, so that is how to have a green screen. And I would recommend the Doink, but you could possibly try a different one. But anyway, make sure you guys smash that like button, turn it blue, try to subscribe, turn it on, you guys ring that little bell. And you know, I'm gonna try and do daily on this channel, but I know I'm gonna do daily on my main channel, but I'll try and do daily on this channel, but I doubt it'll happen because you just can't really do a tutorial every single day. But bye, peace.